Hello everyone! Today, we're making an incredibly hearty and delicious honey barbecue chicken mac and cheese. We're starting with 500 grams of fresh diced chicken breast. Before dicing, we thoroughly pat the chicken dry with a paper towel. This crucial step guarantees a perfect, golden sear later. Dicing them into small pieces matches the macaroni perfectly for the best bite. We're generously seasoning the chicken with smoked paprika 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, salt ½ teaspoon, onion powder 1 teaspoon, and olive oil. A quick drizzle of olive oil acts as a binder. It turns our dry spices into a rich paste, preventing them from burning and ensuring a perfect, flavorful crust. We mix everything together. This ensures maximum surface contact, completely saturating every chicken piece with flavor. Quick drizzle of olive oil turns our dry spices into a rich paste, preventing them from burning. Add a splash of white wine and cover immediately. The steam gently braises the chicken, making it tender. After 4 minutes, remove the lid. Let the remaining liquid evaporate entirely to concentrate the savory flavors. Now, add our rich barbecue sauce and honey. Toss until every piece is beautifully glazed and sticky. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and pour in the macaroni. We let it boil for exactly 9 minutes to ensure it is perfectly cooked. Once done, drain the water completely and set the pasta aside so we can start on our cheese sauce. For our sauce, we start by pouring 300 milliliters of milk into a pot over low heat to prevent scalding. Next, we stir in the cream cheese. This will act as our creamy, tangy foundation for the sauce. We let this mixture come to a very gentle simmer. Patience here is key to a smooth consistency. Now for the rich flavor, folding in the cheddar cheese. Always keep the heat low to prevent separation. Finally, we fold our cooked macaroni into this luscious cheese bath. Ensuring every piece is coated. Our dish is perfectly cooked and ready. Now, we are plating it up. Serving a generous portion for each of us. And here it is, the ultimate honey barbecue chicken mac and cheese. The perfect hearty meal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to VANNA-Germany Cooking Studio for more delicious recipes.